Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a math class for Junior 1. Dear students, our today's topic, write in words part 2. Write in words part 2, and our lecture 5 and homework also 5. Our lecture number 5 and homework also 5. Now let's start our class. Okay dear learners, our today's topic, write in words in the following. Now we are starting with 35. Here are 2 digits here. Okay, 35. Do you know how to spell 35? Okay, now learners, you repeat after me. 30. Okay, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 35, F-I-V-E, 35, 35. Second number is 88, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 88, E-I-G-H-T, 88. Then look at the third numbers here, dear learners. Here are 3 digits here. When it is here, 110, 110. Okay, now write here 1. At first write 1, O-N-E, 1. 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, then 1, O-N-110. 110, T-E-N, 10, 110. Now 99, 99, N-I-N-E, 9, T-Y, 99, N-I-N-E, 99, 99. Then 146, 146. At first write down 1, then 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 146. F-O-R-4-T-Y, 46, S-I-X, 6, 46, 146. Okay, now move on this next number, 150, 150. Okay, O-N-E, 100, you know how to spell 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 150, F-I-F-T-Y, 50, 150. Then 77, S-E-V-E-N, 7, T-T-Y, 77, S-E-V-E-N, 77. Now 145, 145, O-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 140, F-O-R-4-T-Y, 45, F-I-V-E, 145. Okay, then next number is, do you know this number? This number is 133. So at first write down 1, O-N-E, 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 133, T-H-I-R-30-Y, 33, T-H-R-E-E, 133, 133. Then last number is 69. Yes, S-I-X-6-T-Y, 69, N-I-N-E, 69, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, N-I-N-E, 9, 69. Okay, dear students, hope understood today's topic. Okay, I repeat these numbers again: 35, 88, 110, 99, 146, 150, 77, 145, 133, then last number is 69. Okay, and your homework will be your homework number 5 and homework CW to SW. Okay, homework CW to SW. Okay, dear learners, submit your homework on Saturday 9 AM to 1 PM. So see you next class. Allah Hafiz.